MikeBot here. Today, I am making a quick video on the Maker World Clock Kit 011. You will need to 3D print several components and purchase Kit 011 to make this clock. The printed parts are the ones shown in the beginning of this video. In the box you get the clock components, stainless steel arms for the clock and some accessories. You will only need the brass bolt, the main clock component and the stainless steel clock arms, unless you are using the 3D printed clock arms. Assembly is quick and easy. Take the 3D printed triangle, insert in the back of the 3D printed part. Attach the two 3D printed parts together, using the triangle you inserted to hold them together. Insert the main clock component in the back. Use the brass nut to hold it in place. Insert the arms into the clock as I am showing. The second arm goes in last and locks everything into place. Now insert a AA battery. Note that they do not include a battery in the kit. Cheapskates. You are not good to go. Enjoy your new 3D printed clock. There are other models available, which is why they include all the extra parts. Please remember to like this video, comment and subscribe. Do not forget to check out my Patreon. Print 3D MikeBot Entertainment. MikeBot out.